guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making ice cream.
Believe it or not, that's only 4 ingredients. So like, subscribe, and share with a friend so you can have one of these videos each week.
Recently, a friend of mine asked me, Sandra, you don't eat ice cream. And I'm like, yeah, I do eat ice cream. It's one of my favorite things. And she's like, but you're a vegetarian. You don't eat dairy. And I'm like, you can make ice cream without dairy. And I'll show you how.
So ingredients are pretty simple. You just need 3 bananas, honey, vanilla essence, and pinch of salt. That's it. Alright, so first step, we need to cut the frozen bananas into cubes. I froze the bananas overnight, so they have more than 4 hours in the freezer, but 4 hours is good to freeze bananas. Next step is to put all the ingredients into the blender. The bananas, 3 tablespoons of honey, a quarter or half a tablespoon of vanilla essence, how more you like it, and pinch of salt. Okay, number 3, we need to blend everything until it's smooth. Okay, so let me show you how it should look. So look at that, it's really smooth. So next thing is just to put our mix into containers so we can freeze that. I froze that overnight. You can do 4 hours, that should be enough. Right, so it's the next day and they are hard frozen. Now they are ready to be eaten. They didn't want to come out like that easy, so I just used a small knife to like unstick the edges, and then I was able to pull out the popsicle. And voila! I also added some nuts and chocolate chips just to give it a different taste. And that's how it looks. Look at that. Yum. And it tasted really good. Guys, no added sugars. It was super easy, no machines for doing ice cream. It was like the easiest thing in the world. So try it.